Let us now look at this Harry Potter question. Okay, let's first read the question. Hogwarts school has 60 students. 10 students are in Slytherin house. 12 students are in Hufflepuff. 13 in Ravenclaw and the rest in Gryffindor. The question doesn't tell us how many in Gryffindor. We are supposed to calculate it. Find the ratio of the students in Gryffindor to the total number of students. Not Gryffindor versus Slytherin, not Gryffindor versus Ravenclaw. Gryffindor to the total number of students. And of course, we need to express it in the simplest form, express the ratio in the simplest form. So we read the question again and let us take all the information and put it down carefully in our solution. Hogwarts school has 60 students. So total number of students, 60. 10 students are in Slytherin house. So Slytherin house has how many? 10 students. So I'll mark that here. So that is Slytherin house. 12 students are in Hufflepuff. So Hufflepuff has 12 students. And 13 are in Ravenclaw. So 13 students are in Ravenclaw. And the rest are in Gryffindor. We have not been told that. But if I look at this total, what is Ravenclaw plus Slytherin plus Hufflepuff? So that is 13 plus 10 plus 12, which is how much? 35. So this is 35. But the total number of students is 60. So the number of students in Gryffindor must be 60 minus 35, which is 25. So how many students in Gryffindor? 25. In the other houses, how many? 35. So should I say 25 is to 35? No. Read the question carefully. The question says how many in Gryffindor? To the total. Gryffindor to total. Gryffindor is 25. Total is 60. So we want Gryffindor students to the total. So 25 is to 60. Is this the simplest form? No. So how do I simplify? 25 is to 60 can be written as 25 by 60. 25 is 5 into 5 and 60 is 5 into 12. So I can cancel this 5 and so I get 5 by 12, which is the simplest form, right? So this is the simplest fraction. So as a ratio, if I write it, Gryffindor to total is 5 is to 12. This is the simplest form. But first we start by writing this. Okay, then we simplify and write it as 5 is to 12. Always read the question. The question said Gryffindor to total. So that's why we took Gryffindor number, which is 25, to total, which is 60. So 25 is to 60, and then it is simplified as 5 is to 12.